how to join the strongest Battlegrounds Discord server. So first, what you want to do is just go to the Roblox website right here, or your Roblox game, then just click on the strongest Battlegrounds game right here. Then once you're here, you just need to scroll down till you see the social links, and as you can see, the community server of Discord is right here. So just simply click on that and wait for it to load. And as you can see, it is right here. And just simply click on the accept invite and click on open Discord if you want to use a Discord app. As you can see, it automatically opened. But if you want to use our Discord web, you simply need to click on continue to Discord right here. And as you can see, it will redirect you here on the Yielding Arts Discord server. And now you could read all of this Discord terms and services and the rules. And to access other channels, what you need to do is just simply click on verify right here on the left side. As you can see, welcome to Yielding Arts. Click the button below to verify with Block's link and gain access to the rest of the server. You just need to click on the verify with Block's link here at the bottom and just go through the process so that you could access all of the channel. But you have already joined, you just don't have access to the rest of the channel. That's why you need to do this step first. And that's how you basically join the strongest Battlegrounds Discord server.